Hello and welcome to my channel Fast Track Success Driving. In this video today I am going to discuss with you why cops can pull you over and why they can issue you a ticket. So sometimes cops pull you over when tickets are issued. It can be heavy on your pocket. How to avoid that? How you can save your hard-earned money? Because knowledge is a bliss. So listen carefully. Number one reason for getting pulled over by the cops is distracted driving. Whenever you are having handheld devices while driving, like your cell phones, you are texting, sometimes updating your social media, all these can lead to getting tickets. There is a fine of $615, your license can be suspended and your insurance can be. Secondly, failure to stop on the stop signs. When we teach driving lessons, we see sometimes students do rolling stops. So you have to make a full stop on all stop signs, especially in the residential area. Guys, you should know it is very dangerous when you don't stop on the stop sign, and that can also lead to getting ticket. Another reason to be pulled over is running red lights. Sometimes people don't recognize lights. We see students in the beginning, they don't recognize lights and they run over the red lights. That's a heavy fine and we should be avoiding that. Another reason for getting tickets is speeding. 25% of the accidents are due to speeding. So whenever a person is speeding up, he's caught by the cops, his insurance can go up and vehicle can be impounded as well. There is a fine of from $50 to thousands of dollars for speeding, because speeding is a very serious crime taken by sometimes cops. While turning, people don't signal. I don't think many of the drivers even know that they can get a ticket in failure to give signals while turning. Even failure to put seat belt or putting the seat belt in a wrong way can lead you to get a ticket. Another reason is failure to yield, especially to pedestrians, bicycles persons, wheelchair people, skateboarders. You have to yield to everyone. And when the other vehicles are merging on the highways, you have to yield to them and you have to let the buses in. When we are driving, often many people, they tailgate you. Even if you are not keeping the exact following distance, that is 2 seconds in the city, then you can get a ticket for that. Another reason can be unsafe lane changes. That includes if you are not signaling when you do the lane changes and not proper checking. Now last but not the least, many people come to us that now they have to give the road test again because of they are caught under the charges of DUI. So impaired driving is the last option I am giving you, for which people are pulled over and cops take it very seriously. So I hope, guys, you will keep in mind all these points while driving so that you can save a lot of money and harassment in future. Thank you, guys. Bye.